so I just dropped my bags off there. And now I'm headed to security, so welcome back to another trip report. I will be flying over to Frankfurt tonight on United's 777-300ER. Yeah, so let's head to security. Okay, so I'm done with security. They stopped me because of my watch, which they don't normally do. I don't know what I'd be hiding somehow under a watch, but okay. Yeah, let's go to gate C98. So we're at the gate now, gate C98. I'm a bit early, but I have some work to do. So yeah, but I can also plane spot from here since we're at one of the ends of the terminal. I'm sorry, it's inverted. Yeah, I'm gonna get some work done, and the plane hasn't arrived yet. The previous flight out of this gate is headed to Palma, and it's departing now. But our plane's coming in from San Francisco. I think it should be here soon, and then yeah. So the plane will be landing in about 5 minutes, and we'll actually see it from up here, but I don't know how good the quality will be because I'm shooting on my iPhone right now, but yeah, it'll be here soon, and it's a big plane, so of course it'll take a while to you know, clean and everything, deboard, so we're not boarding for a bit, but again, I have work to do, so I don't mind, plus the plane spotting, of course.
C96. Your attention please. This is the final call for United Airlines Flight 1340 with service to San Francisco. Immediate boarding at gate C96.
a decision.
So the aircraft is here. It's a 9-year-old 777-300ER with the registration of N214-0U. That'll be taking us across the Atlantic for to Germany. Okay, so we're boarding in 20 minutes. I'm just walking around, stretching my legs a little bit before we board. I'm boarding in group 2. You can see it's quite busy here. Lots of 757s going out. I've seen there's a Bilbao flight next to me. There's Shannon, one that came in from Shannon, I believe. Malaga, Porto, and then the San Francisco and Los Angeles ones. Yeah, if you haven't checked out my 757 trip reports, you should. I'm flying one to Chicago at the end of the summer.
If you're not a passenger with disability, if you're not active military, if you're not global service, if you're not traveling with children under 2, if you're not Premier 1K, please do not come up to board.
That is so funny. Classic gay lights.
Is there any other customers that need?
Okay, so I'm seated at 37L tonight, and we've got their classic scratchy, itchy neck pillow thingy, and then their brand new blanket, which I showed you on my San Francisco flight on the 757, which was fantastic. So They also provided headphones, but I'm not gonna use these. I have old Beats with the jack because this IFE does not have Bluetooth, unfortunately. This has not been fitted the new TVs yet on the 767s or 777-300ERs. So these TVs are quite small and are formatted a bit differently, but yeah, I'll show you what I mean.
Ladies and gentlemen, please hold on your call items like your purses and your backpack so we can place the line.
You're wrong about the format. I guess I was just on the 767s, but yeah, it's decent. It's not as good as their new IFE. It's much smaller, laggier. Definitely needs a retrofit, but should be good. Yeah, I mean, if you put it like a phone, it's just like a little bigger.
Alright, good evening, welcome to Flight 42, non-stop service to Frankfurt. My name is John, this is not the first on tonight's flight. Thank you, Miles Specimen, for your loyalty and on the customers choosing Fly United. We do appreciate the business of a global service in one case as well. While our service is our top priority, so we'd like for you to pay attention to the safety video. Each aircraft type is different. So.
Please review the safety card located on your seat. It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the belt and slides will automatically inflate. Slide racks are located at the exit doors shown on the safety card. In a water landing, slide racks attach with aircraft doors to the slide door. The two doors located over the wings are equipped with grip slides and should not be used in a water landing.
Functions and assisting in an emergency. Please press our flight attendants.
Necessary, oxygen masks will drop in the compartment above your seat and ceiling compartments in the laboratory.
Secure to the buckle and front. Send it tight. Inflate your vest prior to exit the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tag. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube.
This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Make sure you switch on smartphones, tablets, and even
I'll be back with more details once we're in the air. If you are sitting in Polaris business class, leave the seats completely upright with the shoulder harnesses on. Flight attendants complete body safety checks and be seated. your message.
Okay, so we have about, I think, 3 hours, 45 minutes to go. I'm trying to sleep now that the lights are off, but I can never manage to sleep, so I'm stretching my legs, going to the bathroom because my seatmates are as well, so I do need to go. So, yeah. Here's the bathroom tour, which is basic. Yeah.
United. Look forward to seeing you again soon with the United flight. Thank you and have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Enjoy the road across. Thank you. Fly United. Look forward to seeing you again soon.
Frankfurt.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Oh, I love your shirt.
Thank
This
you.
is so great.
Right? It's awesome.